In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your laptop is randomly shutting itself down. So I'm going to show you a few settings on your computer that you can go and apply to fix this issue. Now, your computer will need to be on long enough for you to change these settings. If you don't have time to change the settings and your computer's shutting down near enough straight away, then you can always press the F8 key on startup and you can go and start your computer in safe mode in order to apply these settings. So the first thing you need to do is open up the Start menu and search for Advanced System Settings and click on View Advanced System Settings. Next to Startup and Recovery, click on Settings and turn off this option here, Automatically Restart, and then go and press OK. Once you've done that, press Apply and OK. Next thing you're going to do is open up the Start menu and search for Control Panel and click on this window. Make sure View By in the top right hand side is set to large icons and then click on Power Options. Click on Choose what the power buttons do in the left hand side. Click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable and turn off this option, turn on Fast Startup, and then go and press Save Changes. Then come back over to Power Options. Next to your selected plan, click on Change Plan Settings. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Hard Disk. Next to Turn Off Hard Disk After, go and set this number to 180 and also do the same for Plugged In. Now scroll down to PCI Express and expand this. Expand Link State Power Management. Click on the drop-down arrow next to On Battery and turn this off. Next to Plugged In, also turn this off and then go and press Apply and OK. You can then open up your Start menu, search for CMD, and then right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. From this window, type in sfc/scan now and press enter. You'll then need to wait a few minutes while this scans all of your core Windows system files, and if any issues are found, it will automatically repair them inside of this window. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and your computer is still randomly shutting down, the last solution is to open up your Start menu, go and search for Settings and click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, click on System, scroll down to Recovery and select this. Click on Reset this PC and press Reset PC. Now you'll have two options to keep your files or to go and remove everything. Now we're going to select Keep My Files, and this is going to make sure all of your personal data stays on your computer and doesn't get deleted. Now just bear in mind that this will remove any third-party applications that you have installed, but it will keep all of your personal data. So this is really a last resort, but this should go and solve this issue. So select how you want to reinstall Windows. I'm going to click on Cloud Download, and then you'll just need to go through the steps on the screen to go in, reset your computer. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.